Hello friends, welcome to my new video. My name is Amrit. In this video we talk about Huawei MateBook 16 along with telling the details. I am also sharing some pictures with you so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So let's start. Huawei MateBook 16 with 16-inch IPS panel with super slim bezels around it, which allows it to deliver a screen-to-body ratio of 90%. MateBook 16 supports 1680 x 2520 pixels resolution, 189 ppi pixel density, a 3:2 aspect ratio, 1.07 billion colors, a 1500:1 contrast ratio, 300 nits brightness, 100% RGB color gamut, and 178-degree viewing angle. MateBook 16 comes into CPU versions such as AMD Ryzen 5 5800H and Ryzen 5 5600H. Both offer AMD Radeon graphics, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, and 512GB SSD storage. It runs on Windows 11 OS and it carries support for multi-screen collaboration for connecting Huawei phones with the MateBook. It is backed by an 84Wh lithium polymer battery, which can last for up to 3.5 hours once fully charged. Notebook comes with a 135W fast charger. HD webcam is hidden in one of the function keys available on the keyboard. MateBook 16 has a full-sized keyboard, which tags along with a fingerprint scanner and a large-sized touchpad. Its other features include stereo speakers, a pair of microphones, 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB 3.2 Generation 1 ports, an HDMI port, or 3.5mm headphone and microphone combo port, Bluetooth 5.1, and Wi-Fi 6. It is available in two variants. It is priced at $917 and $996. So friends, how did you like this MateBook 16? Do let us know by commenting in the comment section of the video and please subscribe our channel.